Guys, what's up? I'm here in a strange airport, as you can see. Where the heck am I? You can probably guess that it's in Asia. I'll say that much at least. Walk through here. And so I have a layover in this city. A city that I've been to before last year. So that's a hint. That's a big hint. However, I'm not returning to this country. I'm flying in about an hour and a half to somewhere else. And so I'm not going to say where I am or where I'm going, just kind of leave it kind of up in the air for now, and videos will be coming soon. So I'm looking for my departure gate. It is 19, which is down that way, but I have plenty of time, so I thought I'd go check out this big like bear thing or whatever. And so I just arrived here. I am, you know, totally frazzled. I flew out of Portland early in the morning. You know, that was technically yesterday. All right, so here's the there's a clue on the bear that I'm not going to show. Excuse me. And so I flew out of Portland, and then I had a layover in Vancouver, Canada, which, by the way, is the place that I was born. So it's 5:10 in the evening. And then I just had a layover. I flew Air Canada, bought this flight just last week, another spontaneous trip. Partly because I am meeting a friend for part of this upcoming trip. It's going to be a relatively short one for me. It's like a month, and then I'll be back in the US after that. But this is going to be really awesome, where I'm flying to next, my 63rd country, and I haven't been there before. And so I had a flight from Portland to Vancouver, and then had a couple hours layover there, and then just flew 11 hours across the Pacific to this country here. And so I've, you know, been like 16 hours in so far, and I had to catch my flight at 7 in the morning, which of course means you have to be there at, you know, 4:30, which means I got up at like 3, and so I'm going on like a couple of hours sleep, and then kind of conked out on the plane a little bit, but mostly I'm pretty just kind of wiped out and dazed and confused. Let's see if we can find a food court. That would be nice to show some of the food here, but don't know if that's going to happen in the course of this video, but there's lots of cool stuff to see. And so it'll be like a, I forget, 2 or 3 hour flight from here to my ultimate destination, and then it will be about 9 in the evening when I get there. I have a hotel reserved there for the next, I think, 4 nights. And then I'm meeting up with my friend in like 3 days, and so I'll have a couple of days on my own to explore around the city, which looks really cool. It's probably not a city that you have heard of. You certainly know the country, but I wasn't really familiar with the city itself. It isn't the most well-known cities in that country. But it looks like really high-tech and modern, and should be some fun exploring. And then once I meet up with my friend, then I'll be going from there to a different city nearby, and then we have some traveling plans for like a week. Whoa, check this out. And so I'm not going to be traveling with this friend for the whole month. I think it's just going to be for like a week and a half or something like that. And then she's meeting up with some other friends at the end of her trip. So I basically flew out here to meet up for part of the trip, and then I'll be traveling on my own after that. And then I'll be going to another place as well other than this country. So that is kind of the general situation of what's going on. And then I'm flying back to the States for a ski trip with my dad, and then things are totally up in the air after that. But it's great to be back in this part of the world. A few different languages here. All right, well, so much for the food court. That would have been nice. Well, maybe I can find it anyways. I'll search around and try to show some food from wherever I am. Food court to the left. I just saw my departure up there, but if I showed it, then I would be giving away where my destination is, so. All right, here we go. Starting to smell good. Paris baguette. That isn't very helpful. Burger Hunter. Interesting. And Heineken set menu. I'm not sure what like nationality it's trying to be, like a British pub food or something. Chicken wings, French fries, potatoes, buffalo wings, and Heineken draft. Anyway, Saboten, the original Shinjuku Donkatsu. I guess that would be Japanese. Shinjuku is a neighborhood of Tokyo. Here's the Burger Hunter. We got pho over there. Saigon and original pho. Some good looking stuff here. Oh, this is the end of the food court. I guess there's more on the other side. Taco something. All right, walk over there. Some good smells around here. Woman, man. Naked chicken taco. Quiznos. Okay, Taco Bell was the taco place that I saw. Saigon and original, I guess you say it pho, not pho, which I thought was Vietnamese food, but Saigon is China. Oh no, that is, oh that's right, Saigon is the name for Ho Chi Minh City. So yes, Vietnamese. And it smells really intense here. Cafe Oh, Sansu, Banseng, casual Korean daily dining. That looks like bibimbap. All right. That doesn't make it completely obvious where I am with all these different types of food, but that's it for this video. More coming from somewhere new. See ya.